Before I put the camera on, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So on today, Michael has a swimming class at his school. So Marimar is going to help us watch Michael so I can go to the LTO. So I'm gonna go to the LTO and get the registration fixed. It needs to be updated for this bike. So if you guys saw my last video, we got the new cool red cool on side mirror. So yeah, fixing the bike, and here we go on a journey. Got full tanky. Gonna warm this sucker up. Okay ra? Sige. Okay, here we go. Look, doggy attacking. That dog has so many clothes. That dog has more clothes than I do. Oh, gamay sanina. There we go. So yeah, rocking on over to Kuan BDT. Ooh, do I need air in that? We need another helmet. That's what we need. I need a second helmet. Maybe I should go buy one of those today. So we got a helmet ready. Wala helmet si Marimar. Hopefully we don't get in trouble. Well, the laws here are pretty weird. The last time I remember, only the driver needs a helmet. That's pretty weird. Yeah, this is a lot more chill of a vlog for right now. Super chill. Just enjoy the ride. Make sure Marimar is still there, because I can't hear her. So when I'm coming down this way, I can turn right up here. There's a little shortcut. I go this way. Because I'm still new here, guys. I'm still new to this Panglao area. I seriously don't know it. Di ko kay balo poan diri. Directions, neighborhoods. Okay, Onahan Paggamay, it's up here just a little bit more. Here we go. Here's the right turn. And it's open. Sometimes they close it because there's like students and stuff. I need to fix these brakes. Whoa! If I had one of these houses or this land, I literally would make it into a coffee shop Why, you know what I mean? Like that spot right back up there would be perfect for people that, because they're always cutting through here to go down, and people, you know, we could sell muffins. Hey, yo, I'll go. That's, I don't hear other people calling me gal as much anymore. I haven't heard that for a while. That's cool. I'll go. If you guys don't know what gal means, it means cousin. It's basically like, yo, what's up, fam? What up, dog? Here we go. We're going over Pang Lao Bridge. Yo, it's beautiful out, man. They got that light color and dark color all over. Here's where we, I don't know if you guys saw that. It was on the other channel. It was on the Ahern family, but I went here to buy fish early in the morning for $20, and I came back with shoe. Dakan mga isda. Lots of fish. So this is the second, or maybe this is the first bridge, and then down further away from Tagbilaran is the second bridge. Either way, there's two bridges. These guys are cutting away, making sure there's no snakes in there. I guarantee you those guys working there have tons of stories about the snakes. And right now I need to update my registration, so yeah, let's work on that. Alright, oh yeah, I'm on a motorcycle. I can cut a little bit easier on the bike. Go around this. Oops. I don't know why they have the silly cement things in the middle. I wish they were up so they weren't in the way, because you know, it's taking the, I could drive right here on my side. Look at, you see how the cement's in the way? You can't even drive on this side as a motorcycle if you want to pass, because overtaking on like this is, you know, it's totally normal. It's on lots of people. I mean, it's legal. What am I trying to say? Like in California, you can what do you call it? Going through the middle. What do you call that? I forgot. This is totally legal. Woo! See, but people don't really look. He's just going everywhere he can go. Let's go. And he's gonna block the entire way. Red, ayo anak bra, cause motorcycles can't get through here. What is he drinking on? He looks like he's drinking a beer. Yeah, like I don't like even getting in people's over, you know, traffic. Is just lame. I'm not saying you shouldn't do anything. I'm just saying, like, for simple things like you know, that it's best just to say move please and let them learn, because or else you're gonna have to tell everyone in the city, and it, you know, you're just gonna be an asshole. You don't want to be the asshole of the city, like, you know what I mean? Does anyone understand or feel me on that one? Like, it gets tiring of telling people like, hey, you know, you shouldn't do that or shouldn't do this. I don't even know how to explain this, guys, because I don't want to seem like an asshole. Look at these boys. Oh, he's got the cotton. He got big old fat sunglasses on, man. I don't have a horn. Oh my gosh, I just passed it. That's okay. Let's go. I'll show you guys the Lo, ang pulisya. Palihog, ayot. Palihog, wala checkpoint. Thank you, Mar. You need any money? You have money?
No.
Oy, wala. Oy. Need snacks and stuff. Naa sa the pool. Naa pool diha. Oh, my booty. Alright, well, let's see if I can fix it today. If not, ooh, I better stop at the ATM. Damn it. Alright, guys, so we just dropped off Marimar at the school to Bantay ni Michael. Bantay C. Michael, excuse me. And then we will go to the LTO. Alright, we'll see what we can do. Are they open? No.
Sir,
Hey.
renew, sir.
Yeah, renew.
Registration or license?
Red. Registration.
Yes, sir. Registration?
Oh, registration.
Smokers. And then bring your motorcycle. She will guide you.
Oh, salamat. Salamat.
Just follow.
Okay.
Requirements.
Okay.
Form ba, preo?
Ano sa'yo mong pangalan ba?
Harrison. House here, there.
Ah, you live here?
We have also insurance here.
Ah, na-insurance.
My mama.
Imo mama? Ah, okay. Also, we're standing in line for the... I was waiting for my registration to pay for it, and then we're having an earthquake drill right now. So they asked for everyone to stand in line, so we have an earthquake drill. It's take like 5 minutes or so. Linog, linog, linog! Linog, linog, gawas me! Oh, gawas! Linog! Did you feel that? Oh. No, no, linog. Linog? Oh! May lagi. Drill, drill. Yay! Guys, finished finally. There we go. Got the new sticker. I gotta update it next June. So the last number here is 6th. So you have to update on that month. So June nako. And there we go. We're on the bikey. Let's go. What do you do with a drunken sailor? We are street legal, baby. Woohoo! Street legal. Back at the bridge. If you can hear that thing flapping, it's just my